Good morning, everybody. Well, it looks like somebody is trying to impersonate me again and trying to get into my account. Now, pay close attention, folks. This is me. All right. This is what my page looks like. All right. I woke up this morning. I was checking my comments. And I got this comment right here. There's a commenter posing as you advertising What's Up app. All right. Now at the time, I asked them if they could screenshot it or send me a picture of it on their phone to my email. And then I noticed as I scrolled through, I'm going to show you here in a second. Never mind, it's all over this video. So as I was scrolling through reading comments, I'm starting to see all this crap from What's Up, which I'm going to be taking care of today. And as I scrolled down through, it started right about here. As you can see, this is not me. If you look at the two on this comment here, they put this pin by Survival Preparedness for Beginners. Thanks for watching. What's Up app, blah, blah, blah. And this is me. All right. You see the difference, folks? Okay. So this is this idiot's page. Now, I have already started reporting everything to YouTube. I wanted to bring this information to you. Do not click. Do not do anything with this particular app. They will all be deleted today. And like I said, I am in the process of reporting everything that is taking place at this time. I wanted to bring this video to you so that everyone knows what is going on. So if you click on it, it comes to this. You see there is nothing here. All right. It's a bogus little emblem of me. This doesn't even match. Remember, this is what you're going to see if you go to my page. And remember, this is what my comments will look like, not this. All right. This person is also impersonating me on the What's Up app, which I am not even a part of, and trying to gain access to my account, which they have not succeeded yet. A lot of this is all going to be changed. So I'm working on that right now. I have somebody that's doing some designing for me, and I'm going to talk to them here later on this morning and see if we can push this up faster so I can get these things changed and hopefully put a stop to it for now. So once again, this is me. This is not me. My comments look like this, not this. So everybody be aware that this is not me. This is. So this is Survival Preparedness. I'm Survival Preparedness for Beginners. I guess somebody really wants to be me. They're not going to succeed. But I wanted to bring this to you. And they're also, they're trying to gain access to the account, but I have so much security on my account and so many different verifications. So, all right, folks, you all have a good day. Just wanted to bring you this quick information of what's going on my account and who's trying to impersonate me. Talk to you soon.